Good morning, everyone. It is already known that government will be announced all about the teaching and learning process will be suspended, but it will be continued with the help of the audio and visual aids. So St. Joseph Public School, Dalsingsarai Samastipur also trying to overcome about the problem of teaching and learning process with the help of audio and visual aids. So online classes also started by the school management for the upliftment and the proper carry on the work of the educational upliftment of the student as about. Therefore, St. Joseph Public School welcome all about the participants who became learned towards the institutions. So very good. As about the syllabus of the CBSE curriculum, chapter 1 of the political science for standard 9 indicate about why democracy and what democracy. What is democracy and why democracy? Concerned to the chapter indicate about the democratic politics 1. Democratic politics 1 related to the chapter 1 as about the curriculum of the CBSE indicate about the definition of democracy. Before knowing about the definition of democracy, it is quite necessary for the student of standard 9 to understand about the before created system of administration, those became carry on by the world. First one as a traditional system of administration likely to the autocracy, second one as a dictatorship, and third one as monarchy. So three were the administrative system, those became traditional and also criticized by the mass people of the world. So world people trying to overcome about the problem with the help of the new system of administration, those will be given by the Abraham Lincoln as a president of USA about democracy. Before understanding about the democracy or the chapter 1, it is quite necessary for the student to understand about the traditional system of administration, those will be prevail over the world. First one as a autocracy. Single system of administration where the isolated decision take place from the world considered as autocratic system of administration where the autocrat decide what is right and what is wrong, and according to the direction the state will be carry on the administrative work. So those will be criticized due to the lack of mass people opinion, public opinion. Next to the system will be prevailed over the world called dictatorship. According to that, a particular dictator who decided what is the system of administration, and according to the plebiscite or the referendum who carry on the work of administration, and those will be decided without any consent of the public opinion. So those system also criticized over the world. Next to the system, those became as a hereditary in nature apart from the any competency or the eligibility of the ruler considered as monarchy. Hereditary system of administration usually called monarchy. So there were three systems will be prevailed before democracy called autocracy, dictatorship and the monarchy. Both were not successful as the mass people doesn't favor toward the system of administration due to the lack of public opinion, lack of equality, lack of justice, lack of sovereignty among the people, and the lack of decision making process of the people. After that, one of the system will be prevailed all over the world called democracy. Democracy is one of the miracle, one of the change which come out all over the world by Abraham Lincoln as US President, and who defined democracy is a system of administration in which and by which people decided all about. In this way, there were two types of the definition will be prevailed by the philosophers as educationists of the world. John Dewey also defined democracy became as a system of administration which prevailed by the decision making of the people. In this way, next to the considerable definition given by the different scholars from the world, and after that democracy became as one of the alternative and unique system of administration. This chapter indicates all about the student concerned to the concept of democracy. Those concepts indicate as a matter concerned to the origin of democracy from USA, and after that those subdivided between the phases of democracy. First phases of democracy before 19th century, second phases of democracy before 19th century to 1975, and third phases of democracy after 1975 to recent or the till. Today, as a modern phase of democracy, 20th and 21st century indicate about the modern phase of democracy. Most of the liberal countries from the world today opt the democracy due to it is unique and alternative. Some about the other facts are also given as a chapter. First, about the understanding as a democracy, it is clear that one of the example also given as chapter 1, which indicate as UN with their aim and the main and helping organ. UNO is one of the organization which form all over the world from on 24 October 1945 after the Second World War. Aim of the UNO as a peace and development, peacekeeping, peacemaking and peace building. And overall development like social, political, cultural, administrative and economical spheres of life related to the development also carry on by the UNO with the help of the main and helping organ. There are 6 main organs of the UNO likely to the General Assembly as a World Parliament, Security Council as a heart of the UNO, soul of the UNO, where the controlling and the justification work take place, and next to the Secretariat, Social and Economical Council, and as well as the Trusteeship Council and others who carry on the work related to the International Court of Justice, and others carry on the work about the 300 and more helping organs like UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, ILO, etc. After that, one of the major questions concerned to the world as UN became as democratic or not. UNO became semi-democratic or non-democratic organization due to the 3 reasons. First one, UN General Assembly have 195 nations out of the total liberal nation of the world. Out of 194 countries as a participant of the General Assembly, only 5 countries have veto power from the Security Council and who decided all about. As IMF or the World Bank, where the only 13 or 14 countries and the capitalistic country of the world, those participation. And UN also decided all about the matter as a peacekeeping with the help of the veto power nations, so that accordingly, as an example, UN became as non-democratic or semi-democratic organization. Now let us come to the next topic about the chapter Why Democracy? What is democracy? First you come to the what is democracy. So democracy is a system of administration in which and by which people carry on the work by their own decision. Self-decision of the people by their own will through the correction of mistake considered about the democracy. Accordingly, democracy will be carry on the work concerned to the administration with the help of the importance, their importance. Some about the importance of democracy. Democracy is one of the way in which equality preference take place. Sovereignty of the people, justice of the people, integrity and unity among the people, electoral competition between the people. And some about the argument for democracy also given as first about the argument democracy is more accountable than others. Democracy is more responsible system of administration. Here people is responsible to the government and government is also responsible to the people. Accountability referred about the visible and invisible changes, so that the act of the government carry on by the people, so people become accountable to the government and government is also accountable to the people. Any type of the change in a particular nation who became as a democratic, those carried out by the government as well as the citizens. Next to the democratic government is more legitimate than others. Legitimacy referred about the proper rule and regulation under the limitation of the work and under the rule and regulation. So concerned to the rule and regulation related work also carried out by the democratic system of administration. Democracy also preferred sovereignty and justice for all. Democracy led to the individual decision making or the mass decision making with the help of the public opinion. So all are about the argument for democracy. Now let us come to the argument against democracy. Some about an improper act of the democracy, those also realize in everyday life among the world where the democracy became carry on as a practice. First one, instability of party and candidate. Second, delayed decision making. Third one, incompetency of the representative led to the unfavorable decision making. Fourth one, about the corruption. Different type of the corruption related work and the illegal process, bureaucracy and other misunderstanding led to the argument against democracy. Now, let us come to the next about the minimal and broad definition of democracy also given as chapter 1, which indicate as minimal definition indicate about the principle of democracy. Accordingly, democracy is a system of administration in which and by which people carry on the work by their own will through the electoral competition by adult franchise. Next to the broad definition indicate about the proper practices of democracy with the help of the democratic institution as bottom to top levels. All about the bottom to top levels or of the body of administration and the institution carry on the work of administration through the democratic limitation. Those created with the help of the democratic constitution in a particular country. Like India, here also a democratic constitution which framed by the Constituent Assembly by the elected body of 299, and after that 299 members elect the 11 member of the drafting committee, and drafting committee framed the Indian constitution after 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Indian constitution indicate about the lengthiest from all and flexibility. It is the salient features of Indian constitution. And next to the basic features of Indian constitution like republic, like equality, like socialist, like sovereignty, justice, integrity, unity and others. All are about the facts we indicate about the limitation of the government and the people, and about the what is democracy. Why democracy? Due to democracy led to the better outcomes. Likely to democracy led to the one person, one value, one vote. One person, one vote, one value. Democracy also indicate about the equality preferences for all. Democracy promote the sovereignty for all. Democracy led to the decision making through the correction of mistakes. Democracy led to the public participation, popular participation and electoral competition. Apart from other system of administration, democracy is a better form of administration, it is declared. And after that, as a conclusion of the chapter, it is clear about the democracy is a system of administration in which and by which people carry on the work with the help of the proper rule and regulation. Some about the related questions are likely to: first one, definition of the democracy; second one, argument against democracy; third one, arguments for democracy; fourth one, UNO. What is UNO? And what are the main and helping organ of the UNO? Why UNO called the non-democratic organization? And some about the other questions also, like definitions of the autocracy, definitions of the dictatorship and monarchy and the democracy. Features of the democracy concerned to the matter also given as about the chapter. And lastly, it is clear that democratic system led to the democratic journey. So all about the chapter of the standard 9 and standard 10 indicate about the channelized system of the political science as democratic journey. That's all.